What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. Just leaving the auction. And man, oh man, baby. What you talking about? Ooh. CLK 550 convertible. Yes. Very clean. Very clean. Except for this steering wheel, which I'm going to work on. Man, I got this car for a song. What year is this thing? I don't even know. It's a trade-in at the Mercedes dealership of South Atlanta. I think it's a 2008. Has 170,000 miles. So it's got a few miles on it, but man, when I say it's been taken care of, I mean, it is a dream boat. God, the interior, everything works. The air's cold. One funny thing I noticed, it doesn't have the heated seat option. Mercedes Benz is so funny about their heated seat options. A lot of the southern Mercedes that were sold in the South, they didn't come equipped with heated seats. But I figured on a CLK 550, this thing was expensive new. I figured it'd have them. I mean, this thing is quick. Holy man. Wow. What a machine. Woo. Yeah, I'll be running this one up to Chattanooga probably here in the next few days, so we'll get some good highway footage on this baby. But yeah, the convertible top works. Did I say it was a convertible? I did, didn't I? The interior's just in really good shape. Whoever owned it loved on it, for sure. But it was driven. You can tell by looking at the steering wheel and looking at the gear shifter. But that's okay. It looks like oil changes and tire rotations were kept up with. So yeah, and it drives really smooth. It has a nice set of Continental tires on it. It's just a sweetheart. I do have a third brake lamp out, which I imagine is that little light there in the deck lid. Brakes are strong and smooth. I mean, I came here for a white 2010 Volvo, but that damn thing sold for more than this. I mean, it went through the roof. I couldn't believe how expensive that car went for. 2010 Volvo S80. You know, that's usually not a super expensive car on the used car market. But yeah, it brought him more money than this CLK 550. Now, this one has about 40,000 more miles, and it's 2 years older. But hey, which one would you rather be caught driving? This thing's a beautiful car. Let's see, I'm going to park it right here next to the Saab because I'm going to have to come back and get it. But let me see if I can get us a little walk around here. Little walk around. Yeah, just a jewel. Oh, my pants are falling off. Okay, there we go. I've lost so much weight in the past few weeks, I can't keep my shorts on. Now, I can tell this headlight is newer than that one because of the way it is. I mean, that's very obvious. Don't know if it had a minor accident or something, but I can clean that up and that'll look good. But yeah, look at these. I mean, wheels got a little curb rash, but overall, it is just a straight car. It is so pretty. CLK 550, got the AMG pipes. And the soft top. I mean, look how nice this thing is. It's almost like they left it in the down position and just left it parked in a garage or something. It has no wear or holes. Just a cool car. Anyway, I'll get you more on this one, guys, as we learn more. I'm ready to go get some lunch right now. But, yeah, baby. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, I'm pleased. Very, very pleased. So anyway, tell me what y'all think about the CLK 550. Like, comment, subscribe. Nice headliner. It's just a nice car. And it was cheap. Anyway, we'll see y'all with the next one. Peace. Okay, everybody. Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. Woo, we want a CLK convertible, baby. This thing is nice. Went ahead and dropped the top. Might as well win in Rome. It's a little bit hot today, though. But we got some rain clouds coming in, blocking the sun a little bit. So yeah, 2008 trade-in at the Mercedes dealership. It's nice. It's very nice. Very clean. Got cold air. This is a CLK 550, so it's a V8 car. This thing is quick. But real smooth. Everything works on it. I mean, it's got some wear and tear, you know, here on the steering wheel. But I can clean a lot of this up. This just has to be cleaned up. And a little wear there on the gear shifter. But yeah, that sort of stuff can be cleaned up pretty easy. So, but man, it's got great mechanics. Great mechanics. For 172,000 miles. I was after a Volvo S80, but hell, it brought more money than this thing. So I ended up buying this instead. Now the Volvo, of course, was 2 years newer and had about 40,000 less miles. But hey, I mean, what would you rather have? A Mercedes convertible? Hell yeah. Anyway, I just picked it up from the auction. About to drive it here to the house. That I live 2 miles from this auction, and I can't believe I haven't been going to this auction. I mean, I go to Chattanooga to go to the auction, and I have an auction that sells 1,000 cars a week 2 miles from my house. 2 miles and let's say 3 turns and 1 red light. Crazy, huh? Anyway, I'll get a walk around this baby here in just a minute. Okay, here we go. Isn't that nice? Man, she's pretty. Now, of course, we can tell that we've got a new set of headlights over here, and these are original old. I'll get them babies sanded and looking good. But she got a nice set of Continental tires on her. Pretty black paint. I mean, the paint's in such good shape for the age. Mercedes Benz of Atlanta Northeast. Yep, just a good old trade-in. Good old trade-in. It's got a beautiful black top too. Good looking 5-star alloys. Looking nice, looking nice. Yep, she's a beaut. Oh, and there comes Mama. Anyway, I'm in her way, so I better move it. But yeah, this thing's really clean, y'all. It's got one little spot here on the seat, but I think that'll wipe off. It actually looks like a stain more than anything. Let's do a little start up and we'll back her out of the way. Find someone else. Ooh-wee. What a beast of a V8. Just sounds good. Look at that. Still got the plastic on the screen for the radio. I need to peel and pull off if I can get my finger under it. My mom is having a really hard time getting in that garage. Real hard time there, Mom. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what y'all think about the CLK 550. Awesome. Just need some good cleaning, rubbing on. Gonna get the magic eraser around the steering wheel, and that'll all clean up. And it'll be in good shape. Good shape. Anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day. We'll see y'all with the next one. Peace.